Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Honda Accord Euro headlight bulb. First, ensure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down to prevent any burns. Next, gather your tools, which typically include a flathead screwdriver, a new headlight bulb of the correct type, and a pair of gloves. It's crucial to avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with your bare fingers, as oils can create hot spots and significantly shorten its lifespan. Now, open your car's hood to access the headlight assembly. Depending on which headlight you're replacing, you might need to remove the battery for easier access, especially on the driver's side. Locate the round plastic cover at the back of the headlight housing. This cover protects the bulb. Gently twist this cover counterclockwise until it loosens, then carefully pull it off to expose the bulb and its wiring. With the cover removed, you'll see the electrical connector attached to the bulb. Press down on the retaining tab and gently pull the connector away from the bulb. Next, locate the metal spring clip that holds the bulb in place. Push down on this clip and then pull it back to release the bulb. Carefully remove the old bulb, noting its orientation. Insert the new bulb, aligning its tabs with the notches in the housing, and secure it with the metal clip. Once the new bulb is securely in place, reconnect the electrical harness until you hear it click. Then, replace the plastic access cover, twisting it clockwise until it's firmly sealed. Turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Remember to dispose of the old bulb responsibly. Also, for a smarter home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals linked in the description below.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.